How to use Soundation on a Chromebook or low-end PC. First of all, Soundation is an online music production tool and it works perfectly on Chromebooks and low-end PC. The key is to ensure your browser is up to date for the best performance. Now, the first step is to open your browser and visit soundation.com. You can sign up for a free account or login if you already have one. Next, you will want to start a new project. Click on the Create button and you will be directed to the studio interface where you can start making music. The layout is simple with a timeline at the bottom and a toolbar for adding sounds, effects, and instrument. First of all, make sure you add tracks by clicking on the Import button. You can add audio tracks or virtual instrument. With Soundation, you can drag and drop loops or even record your own sounds directly into the timeline. For better performance on your Chromebook or low-end PC, keep your project simple by limiting the number of tracks and effects you use. Soundation is cloud-based, so it may require a stable internet connection to avoid lags. Additionally, if your PC is struggling with performance, consider lowering the audio quality in the settings to improve the overall experience. You can also see the CPU and memory usage at the bottom of the screen. If it's high, try closing other unimportant tabs and applications to ensure smoother performance. Lastly, once you are happy with your project, click on the Export button to save your music. You can export in various formats, making it easy to share or upload your creation. And that's it. Now you know how to use Soundation on a Chromebook or low-end PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.